Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix unable to connect to world in Minecraft. Click on your game and click on close. Then reopen the game. Now click on play. Go to your friend server and try to join the game. Then go to home and close the game. Then click on game and select the options button from the controller. Then click on check for update. If update is available, then update the game. Then open the game. Now go to settings, then go to general, then toggle on enable crossplay. Then go to back and click on play. Then go to my world, then go to settings of it, then go to multiplayer. Now select the both settings as friends only. Make sure your friend also turned on these options. By following these steps, you can fix unable to connect to world in Minecraft.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.